Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to introduce you to my favorite socks for year round. I must confess, I love being around my house with socks, and I found these very comfortable ones I want to share with you guys. So these are by Earth Therapeutics, infused with aloe vera and vitamin E. And I mean, these are a game changer. Right now it's summer and my feet do not sweat at all. They feel like they are hugged by a cloud. It has like a feeling of silk and cotton and wool. They are super gentle. It comes in 2 pairs, which I love because I use them every day. And I really appreciate too that you can use these if you have dry feet. You just moisturize them, put these on, and it'll really help you with dead skin or to hydrate your feet overnight. These are the most comfortable socks I have owned, and I would highly recommend them. And that's my point of view.